Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 2 episodes, we are going to show you everything you wanted to know about the BABYMONSTER members. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive news and life-changing content. So let's get it started. BABYMONSTER, BABYMONSTER, also known as BABYMON, is a 7-member girl group under YG Entertainment. The final lineup was announced on YouTube on May 11, 2023. The members of BABYMONSTER are Haram, Chiquita, Farida, Rora, Ayan, Asa, and Luca. The group is expected to debut in 2023. Number of members, 7 members, Haram, Chiquita, Farida, Rora, Ayan, Asa, Luca Company, YG Entertainment, 2023. 4. Rora Lee Da-in, I-Dane, born August 5, 2008, simply known as Rora, is a South Korean member of the K-pop group BABYMONSTER under YG Entertainment. She made her debut in 2023 at the age of 14. Stage name, Rora. Full name, Lee Dane. Native name, I-Dane. Birthday, August 5, 2008. Country of birth, South Korea. Position, vocalist. Height. Zodiac, Leo. 5. Asa. Anami Asa, Ja-Bing Shing-sha, born April 16, 2006, simply known as Asa, is a Japanese rapper and a member of the K-pop group BABYMONSTER under YG Entertainment. She made her debut in 2023 at the age of 16. Stage name, Asa. Full name, Anami Asa. Native name, Ja-Bing Shing-sha. Birthday, April 16, 2006. Country of birth, Japan. Position, rapper. Height. Zodiac sign, Aries. 6. Ayan. Jung Ah-yeon, Jung Ah-yeon, born April 11, 2007, simply known as Ayan, is a South Korean member of the K-pop group BABYMONSTER under YG Entertainment. She made her debut in 2023 at the age of 15. Stage name, Ayan. Full name, Jung Ah-yeon. Native name, Jung Ah-yeon. Birthday, April 11, 2007. Country of birth, South Korea. Height. Position, rapper, vocalist. Zodiac, Aries. 7. Farida. Chai Kung, Ph. Ru Ta She Kung, born August 26, 2005, simply known as Farida, is a Thai K-pop idol based in South Korea. She is a member of the K-pop group BABYMONSTER under YG Entertainment. She made her debut with BABYMONSTER in 2023 at the age of 17. Stage name, Farida. Full name, Farida Chai Kung. Native name, Ph. Ru Ta She Kung. Birthday, August 26, 2005. Country of birth, Thailand. Position, vocalist. Type. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.